Today we'll be installing an EcoHitch part number X7255 on the Toyota Sienna. If you enjoy this video, consider leaving us a like and subscribing for future installs. Begin by removing all the fasteners on the plastic underbody panel and bumper beneath your vehicle. Remove the black stickers along the frame rails to expose the weld nuts. Lower the exhaust by lubricating the rubber exhaust bungs with WD-40 or equivalent and removing. Raise the trailer hitch into position by lining up the holes in the frame plates with the weld nuts. Install the provided hardware and center the hitch on the vehicle. Now torque the bolts to the specifications recommended in the instructions. Install the bumper core straps facing outward on the outside of the center support of the hitch. Secure with one bolt, lock washer, flat washer, and serrated nut through each hole. Torque to specifications. Next, mark and trim a 3-inch by 4-inch section from the center of the underbody panel. After rehanging the exhaust, reinstall the underbody panel. Your EcoHitch installation is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklets products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.